This is a shout out to my Grand Valley students who are working very hard with Project Professional, also called Project Desktop, a very advanced scheduling tool. And let me show you just an illustration of what they're working on. So let's say that this task was supposed to be 10 days. We've set a baseline already. It actually takes 15. How does that impact our schedule in a number of ways? Well, you can see instantly that it changed the finish to 15. It bumped our critical path, which potentially is affecting our finish of our project. And it's even bumped up the cost of that task. Project has one great advantage. It can do deep dive into earned value analysis. It can do multiple levels of baselines, and it can do a deep dive into resource allocation. So thank you, students, for working hard with this tool. And I wonder what everybody else loves about Project Desktop. Throw your thoughts in our chat.